Welcome back to my channel, Beautifully Graced, and today I am going to give you a YouTube tutorial on how to do a slip knot and how to chain up chains. That's right. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. What I'm using for this video is a 5mm crochet hook. I got this crochet hook from Walmart. I'm also using Red Heart Super Save yarn. I don't know the exact color because I threw the tag away, but this yarn was around $3.44. All right, so we're going to begin with a slip knot. And if you don't know what a slip knot is, then please visit my first video. So now we have our slip knot. Now it's time for us to go ahead and start our chains. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to rest the yarn over your index finger, under your middle finger and your ring finger, and over your pinky, like so. And you're going to twist your hand, and then you're going to grab the knot that you just made with your ring finger and your thumb, like so. And you're going to go in and you're going to grab the yarn and twist it while you're grabbing it and pull it through the loop, like so. We're going to do it again. Go through the yarn, grab the yarn, pull it through that slip knot, like so. Let's do it one more time. Go in, grab the yarn, like so, and pull it through the loop. And that is how you do a chain. So let's start completely over. We're going to go ahead and do our slip knot once more. All right, and then we're going to pull this down just a little bit. We're going to pick up our hook, and it doesn't matter how you hold your crochet hook. Some people hold it like this, some people hold it like this. I mean, it really doesn't matter. So this is how I hold it. I'm going to put it through. I'm going to rest the yarn on my index finger. I'm going to put it under my middle finger and my ring finger, and I'm going to put it over my pinky, like so.
Mama, I got it.
And then we're going to turn our hand, and we're going to grab that knot that's right there with our ring finger and our thumb, like so. Let me see if I can do that. All right, and being that you already have your hook inside that loop right there, you're going to go in and you're going to grab the yarn and you're going to twist it over like that, and that is called a yarn over, and you're going to pull it through the loop just like that. That will be a chain one. Let's do a chain two. Go in, pull the yarn, well, go in, yarn over, twist your hook, and pull it through that second loop. That would be a chain two. And we're going to do it again. We're going to still inside that loop. We're going to go in and we're going to grab that yarn and we're going to pull it through. And that'll be a chain three. And let's do it one more time. We're going to go in. We're going to grab that yarn and pull it through. That'll be a chain four. So we made a slip knot, and we also did 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. So let's start this from the beginning once again, just in case I may have lost you. Put the yarn over your index finger. Do the sweeping CPR motion. Put your thumb inside that loop that you just created. Grab the yarn, pull up, and then pull down to create your slip knot. Then we're going to pull that down just a little bit, like so, as you can see. Grab your crochet hook, insert the crochet hook through that loop. We're going to rest the excess yarn, not the tail, but this yarn on this side. We're going to rest it over our index finger, under our middle finger and ring finger, and over our pinky, like so. Then we're going to twist it once again. We're going to grab the knot that's right here with our ring finger and our thumb. We're going to insert the hook all the way through. We're going to grab the yarn, twist it, and pull it through that first loop. There we go. And we're going to grab that first chain that we made with our ring finger and our thumb, and we're going to repeat that motion once again. Grab and pull through. And we're going to repeat that motion once again. Grab and pull through. Grab and pull through. Grab and pull through. And one more time. Grab and pull through. And there we have made our chains. Don't mind the children in the background. Those are my kids. All right. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.